Hey you guys, thank you guys, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be doing the Trolls themed chip bag. This was a requested video. Um, just to keep time short, I already went and got my images over here. I have not started on the design process yet, but as you know, I always get all of my images from Google, and I simply just went to Google, went to Trolls, typed in Trolls background, went to images, and there you go. You can also type in Trolls PNG to get the images without the background. So looking at these images, I already have an idea, I guess, in mind. So I guess I'm just going to go ahead and go for it. And when I seen this, I liked it. But as you can see, it does have like white around it. So I'm going to crop that down. So let me go ahead and do that. Crop the sides. Alright, where this is all that we are left with. And this picture does look a little dark. So what I'm going to do is try to go to format, corrections, and try to, there I go, I just brightened it up. Now I'm going to crop this down again. So that it fits perfect in the that box. And I'm going to copy it because I'm going to add it in the other box.
Mom, I put the card.
I see your pizza, honey. You did a great job. Y'all, my kids get no sleep. Lord have mercy. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and push this photo backwards. Is that all I got? Okay, yeah. Now where do I want to go next? I honestly don't know.
Why I put the cover?
My boys. Lord help them. Alright, so I'm just going to stretch that further enough to expand and send it back. Okay. So now we have, I see this little thing down here showing that is not acceptable. So let's crop that out. Alright, there we go. Now we got something that's acceptable. And why not just throw in the colors, the colorful background that goes with Trolls, right? I don't know if I like that too much. Let me see. It don't look too bad. It don't look bad at all, I guess. I didn't put the Trolls on the back. I know I did want to put that on. Move that, bring that forward. Stretch that a little bit. At the same time, I'm going to brighten that up too. So I'm going to format corrections. And as you see, when you click on correction, it has a ton of different, I guess, colors you can choose from. Oh my goodness. Okay, thank you, Sam. Thank you for the kiss. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put Poppy and Branch right here at the bottom. Now, I wasn't sure which one of these backgrounds I was going to like for the glitter borders, so let's see what these things look like. Alright, let's send this backwards and see if I like it. Okay, I actually do like it. It looks really nice. Yep, it looks nice. Okay, so I'm just going to copy it and also bring it down here and send that backwards as well. Look at that, y'all. The bag is already coming together. It's so bright and colorful. I think I might lower this down. I don't know. Do I like that? Do I like it? Yeah, I like it. Okay, I'll keep it. Alright, let's go to insert. I know I got something girly up in here, but I don't know what it is right offhand.
Yeah, booyah.
Oh, that's your face. Alright, let's see. I used to have a troll bag before my computer crashed or my laptop crashed. Alright, now for the back, we could easily say, let's do that. Thanks so much for coming out.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for coming out to
Booyah.
join. Boy. Alright, let's put a color back here that we don't have. So let's do yellow. Or we could have did green.
Why did you take your money?
I like the yellow. The yellow looks really cute.
I want it.
Center it. And bring it up some. Because trolls, their little slogan or what they always say is dance, sing. Wait, let me put exclamation. Dance, sing, and hug. Alright, let's put that on the back. Let's put the bright green, I guess. Let's center that. That looks really cute, y'all. I like it. I just don't know how I feel about this. Let me take that. Not you guys. I like the trolls. Come back. I guess send back. No. Send the trolls backwards. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't think I like that too much. Let's see what it look like with just not a shape. A frame. Let's get a frame put in the back of there to make the trolls still stand out. And these are the same frames that I gave out. And it actually does look right because it looks like the clouds that's on the back. Or the sides, I should say. Okay, yeah, I like that so much better. That rainbow thing was like taking me for a loop, you guys. Yep, I like it.
Batman. Yeah, booyah.
Yep. Alright, well, there you go. You guys, this is my, I guess, example and take on the Trolls theme chip bag. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and upload these goddamn glitter backgrounds so you guys can also use those. So that's gonna be the images that I download for this week and give to you guys. Thanks so much for watching and for your support. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.